how to customize the home screen color by using tinted color on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold. Then tap on the edit button at the top left. Next, we tap on customize. Now at the bottom here, by default, your phone should set to automatic. You want to tap on tinted. And at the bottom here, there is a color bar, so you can drag on the color bar to make the changes. And you can also apply the strength at the bottom here. So drag on this slider bar to change the color settings. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the outside. So after that, tap on outside to save the changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.